In the distance to our left now, we can see Gilbert Marine of Rockville, the white building with a stone building beside it on the waterfront. Gilbert's is one of the oldest marinas in the area, founded in 1893 as the Gilbert Motor Boat Company, and built many classic wooden river boats. Many of those boats, powered by the St. Lawrence Marine engine, also built on Rockville's waterfront. The old stone building was once a tannery for the Dana Shoe Leather Company. Dana still is a popular name in the shoe business today. Next to Gilbert's, we see a large chimney with the letters BYC emblazoned on it. This donates the location of the Rockville Yacht Club, built on this site in 1945. The stone building that now serves as the clubhouse was originally also a tannery, but in later years became home to the Sheriff Waterworks, builders of the fine Wringer washing machines.
A nuestra izquierda nos aproximamos a los últimos ejemplos que quedan de la arquitectura temprana de la región.
The Thousand Islands are indeed nature's treasure trove. For example, there are over 240 species of birds that can call the islands home, including loons, cormorants, osprey, and American bald eagles. But perhaps the bird most identified with the Thousand Islands is the great blue heron. The great blue heron is the largest of our wading birds and can grow to have a wingspan of over 2 meters. The herons were considered to be near extinction back in 1950, at which time it was put onto a list of protected species. Since that time, they have made a remarkable comeback, and they now flourish in the Thousand Islands.
Existen más de 240 especies de ave que habitan las islas. Quizá el ave a la que más se identifica con las 1000 islas es la gran garza azul. Para 1950 se había determinado que la gran garza azul corría serio peligro de extinción y se la agregó a la lista de especies protegidas. Desde entonces, la especie se ha repuesto de manera sorprendente y el día de hoy